Hi friends, this is the 10th experiment in our AR/VR lab. This is an AMR exercise, so we are going to create an AMR project. To create a project, open a Unity Hub and click New Project. And in a editor version, select a Unity 6 0.38 F1. This need to be selected. So create a Universal 3D project and give a name to our project as I'm going to give AMR exercises and click Create Project. So wait for it to load. So once it's loaded, this is our scene. So you can remove the readme asset and click remove. I'm just adjusting my window. So click the main camera in the hierarchy and delete it. And go to the window tab and give a package manager and search for version control and click remove and click remove. You can go to the registry and search XR plugin management and click install. Wait for it to install. Go to the edit menu and click the project settings. Go to the XR plugin management and select the Oculus. And select Oculus in the Android 2 and go to the Oculus menu and select the Quest 3. Since we are using the Oculus Quest 3 VR headset, we are going to select the Quest 3. This is a mandatory one and you can close it. And now we can head into the asset store and open it in a web. And we can select for Meta XR all-in-one SDK. And we can click the Meta XR SDK and we can give open in Unity. And give install. We need to install the latest version here to work in AMR. So this is a crucial step. Before installing the latest version, you need to uninstall or remove the version control package in the Unity. So that's the first step and this is the second step. You need to follow the order, so that the building blocks will appear in the menu tab. So wait for it to install and compile it. And once it is installed, you can close this. I just give next and I close that. Now you can close the package manager and you can see the XR tools and you can go to the project settings and fix all the errors and give apply all and give save. And you need to restart the editor. So after it restart the editor, just give a apply all and close it and close this window also. And you can choose Marcus Read and you can ignore the warnings and you need to fix all the errors. The Meta SDK itself can fix all the errors. You need to tick in the Quest, and you need to tick there in the you need a tick there in Oculus in Android, and you can go to build profile and you can switch the platform to Windows to Android. So these are the basic project setting for creating an MR and VR project too. And once it's done, check the development build there. And yeah, that's all. You can go to the Meta XR tools and click building blocks, where you can see all the collections there. You can navigate in the menu. There is a interactions, and you can click the core to add the camera rig, hand tracking, and controller tracking. There is a one important thing to add is a pass through, which enables a MR interactivity. So you can give the pass through also. Once you are done with that, you can go to the uh, interactions and you can add the distance grab. I can drag and drop and click confirm so that I can add the distance grab cube. This cube is placed inside my scene and I can move it wherever I want. So I'm going to place the cube near to my visible area just in front of me. So this is a distance grab cube. And I navigate to the asset folder and right click in there and create a folder called models. And I'm going to drag and drop my 3D model. I downloaded it from net. So I'm going to click fix now. And in the 3D model, I have on statue. So I'm going to place it in my scene. And I'm going to reset its transform and just rotate to make the model straight. And just moving and positioning it. And I'm positioning it just behind the cube and I'm rotating towards me. So yeah, this is a model. So I'm going to right click the model in the hierarchy and go to the interaction SDK and add a ray grab interaction. And Unity will give me a fix menu, fix warning. So I can give the fix to add a rigid body and all in my Oculus script and grabbable script in automatically in my 3D object and click create. Now this is a scene. I'm going to save it using a Control S and I'm going to build profile in the file menu. And I'm going to connect my VR headset in the computer using the Type-C cable. And I'm going to click build and run. So this is a Meta Horizon link where I can cast my headset. So after the build is completed, I'm going inside my Meta Horizon browser to cast my headset in the PC. So that is a Unity app. I just built it. So I'm going to open that. So this is an MR application where I can see the 3D models I have placed inside my scene. It's now appearing in the real world. So I can move it using my controller. So this is a distance grab cube. I can grab it using my left controller and I can place it wherever I want. So the 3D statue has the ray interaction, so I can move it and rotate it using it. So this is the border set in the VR. So if we cross the border, it will warn us using the red color. So yeah, this is the distance grab cube and this is a ray interaction. You can rotate and you can move around in the real world and place the object upon the real world object. So this is the controller tracking. Now this is a boundaries. If I move away from my boundary, it will show a red color. By showing that, it will give the warning that you are moving away from the boundary. So that's the controller tracking. And this is the hand tracking. I can move my object using my hand and I can quit from the MR app using my hand. And yeah, this is our 10th experiment, MR experiment in Unity.